Karbar.com basically is a tax advisory service, which is the vertical of Auto Services India Private Limited. It is, promoted by Kamal Virani and Company. It's a chartered accountants firm, and associate chartered accountants. There are around 40 plus chartered accountants who are, associating themselves with this project. So few of them have 20 plus years of experience in their professional field. So a good knowledge base would be there in future, who would be assisting people, who will be guiding people on various fronts of taxation, per se income tax for individuals. The services pan India basis, hence one need not worry of shifting or changing his address. Our services available from every corner of the country where internet or telephone exists. Karbar services. What kind of services does Karbar provides? Karbar by name itself signify it has something to do with tax. Though it means payment of taxes, but we plan it otherwise. Payment of taxes. We don't want you to shell out more when you can save something. So we will be planning to have optimum structure for optimum tax payment. There are several privileges given under the Income Tax Act which can additionally bring in huge savings for appropriate planning. We hereby through our 15/7 contact center provide 15, it's basically 15 and a half, but for ease of referring we say it's 15/7. It's operating from 8 a.m. in the morning till 11:30 in the night. We provide advisory on tax deduction. Why your company is deducting tax? Can you get it exempted? There are various forms which you can file and request your company to not to deduct your tax. That will save you from all the admin procedures later on. Taking a refund, though these days refund is easy, unlike previous days where it was a manual effort and lot of difficulties were there. Today it's an electronic processing that makes it easy refund. But again, it is still money that you'll receive after maybe 6 months or 7 months. So rather to have it not deducted. So there are schemes available there. Investment options, what choices are available in the market, which are good investment options whereby there's an added advantage of tax saving. Several schemes would be floating in the market. So which scheme is giving you the benefit of tax saving as well as giving you good rate of return? Most importantly, it is in safe hands. So investment options, what investment options are available? Then insurance tax planning. So many insurance policies, so many promises coming with Greek and Latin terms which are generally not understood by layman. We are here to help you comprehend the policy you plan to opt and its comparison with other available insurance plans whereby similar tax saving can be obtained. Available tax saving options. Several tax planning options go waste each year only because of our unawareness. There are many places which can help you structure your incomes so that tax you pay is optimum. I'll give you a very good example. Your company is giving you salary. So under salary there's one provision of HRA. People receive HRA but they don't show rent paid. There are schemes basically whereby you structure your pay scale, you structure your components of salary and you have the savings done. Direct tax code queries. Tax code is getting levied by 2012. Several schemes would be redundant. Several new provisions will be active to change the pattern of your earnings. We are sure at these difficult times, preparation in advance and handholding at the time of implementation of new income tax law will be of great help for individuals. Several provisions are changing. House property में changes आ रहे हैं, ELSS में change आ रहे हैं, PPF is other allied matters. Several times we get a communication from income tax office stating few sections and request to submit documents. Person goes haywire, what is it? Trying to interpret the sections quoted. We are here to help you interpret the communication and give you basic advisory over the same. Basic advisory. Why I am saying basic advisory? This can have a large stretch. One can receive a notice just of non-filing of return. One can receive just a notice of wrong computation. One can receive a notice from income tax for scrutiny assessment. One can have a best judgment. So it is starting from basic, but it has scope of very, very severe notices also. So we would be providing only basic for free, and in case he needs a added consultancy representations, so those are chargeable based on location, each location. Return filing services. Return filing is mandatory for everyone who earns income in India, which falls under taxable limits. What more, we are providing this facility completely charge free. It's free. It's not just you file your return. We are filing return for you, and that also for free.
Free of charges.
This service is complimentary for all our subscribers. User ID based secured web access. Website whereby one may put questions anytime he is online. A personalized service so that you realize how important you are. It's basically, while you are on the move, you don't want to call up. You can just put a query, or you can have a repository as if you are maintaining 5 years data in our website. So anytime, anywhere you are sitting for a bank loan or something, you can just download and print it
and give it to
there itself. So these are the services what we are providing. What's the gap? Why this service we feel would be a useful tool for everyone in income tax area? Service class, what we have observed, is indifferent to file return. It has been surveyed and practically observed that in today's demanding times we hardly find time for ourselves, and more so proper tax planning has always been the last priority. That is our observation. It generally happens like
last day, normally last day
and that too, it's just you want to file. It's not you want to file it with optimum computation. You'll file it anyhow, you'll file it. So that is where we are indifferent for our computations, for our tax planning, for our even sometimes return filing also. Me as a person, chartered accountant, I could not file my 3 years income tax returns while I was working. I could not find time.
No, that's a normal taken as a formality where you need this document, you need to return.
It's basically you don't tend to remember that date has come. So that's where you miss it. It's a legal requirement. Tax compliance and return filing is a legal obligation, and failure to do so can attract a penalty of 5,000 plus interest on tax payable component. Not able to claim deduction of losses in case no timely return is filed. One cannot carry forward and set off loss from future incomes. Hence, this loss of advantage can be up to 30% of loss amounts. How it is? Like in the year 1, suppose you had a loss of 1 lakh rupees in your total income, total loss. In later years, your income was above the 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh, that slab. So it comes under 30%. So 30% you are not able to claim that as a loss and reduce your 30%. So it can go up to 30% of loss of your advantage which you could have claimed. No quick professional advice accessible, though professionals are available in ample numbers with requisite skill sets and experiences. Reaching them quickly at times become difficult due to your or their other priorities. Right? Got it, no? Constraints of time availability. Practitioners generally work in normal working hours, which again are the hours which keep you most busy delivering normal office duties. Hence, you ought to take leave from your office or keep it on second priority. Constraints of up-to-date knowledge. Several times we approach payroll persons or professional within our organization, but how much connected the other person is, that is always a matter of concern. What are the advantages that one will have in registering themselves with Karbhar? Tax compliance, the foremost advantage. You are definitely saved from the penalty on non-filing tax return of 5,000 per return per year. Per year means like the default year. Tax savings. Additionally, we have observed crores of rupees go unclaimed from income tax collected from employed people on the ground of non-filing of income tax return. Several tax saving options are generally not discussed with employer and hence not considered in IT calculation, and tax deduction is generally always on higher side, because if employer deducts tax less than it was supposed to, he'll pay penalty as well as interest, and people are getting TDS notices on that on continuous basis. So it's always on a higher side, so it will always result in refund, but people are not bothered to file tax return and hence that refund goes waste. Up to date income tax file is always up to date and can be produced for loans, income tax clearance certificate, etc. Anytime you are anywhere, you can take a printout and submit it to the authorities. On desk services, you don't need to step out of your office. You get service at desk or at most convenient places. On demand services, we are relatively available for major part of the day, hence you can approach our services at most convenient times. Like we are available since 8 a.m. till 11:30, so I don't feel there's any part of the day which is we have left, because I don't feel like before 8 you are interested in your tax planning. You will be rushing to your office, or you would be doing something
Daily routine.
which is more important. And after 11:30, I hope like you will like to sleep, because that is a sleeping hour, I think. So we have kept well calculated time hours so that nobody is left out. Professional competence at most economical rates. In first instance, there is an hesitation to approach a professional every now and then. Even if he is approached, it costs according to the time he spends with you. We here carry out some same function but on a very large scale, making it the most economical avenue available without compromising on confidentiality of your data as well as quality of our services. Service available through email, telephone, chat, messenger. Our services can be accessed from all the three means. So you may be sitting in the meeting but can chat or write mail to our executives. You can even post a query on site in your username. Only you and response team can view, not an open forum. It's not an open forum. Your user ID is basically a page which is assigned to you, where you can put in a query and see the responses there. So it's not an open forum.